Hi. Okay, I got a new bumper for the Jeep. See some nastiness. These are water bubbles underneath the paint, and they stink. They pop and it's... Anyway, this is plastic. This is the bumper. If I feel down here, I'll let you look. Is that it? Oh, here we go. That. There's nothing attached. Okay. Right above here, there's a stud sticking out of the chassis, and the bumper goes on. The bumper's got a thing like this, a hole in it, and the nut goes on the outside. I'm going to try just cutting all this out with a grinder. I mean, it's like all rust, really. See the tool? I'll let you get a view if I can. I think it'll work. Camera setup. You're going to hear this. I'm not going to hear much. Where's that bolt? Oh, here. God. Come on, you pussy. You pussy. Take this. It's a stud that's welded on the chassis, which isn't too bad. But I wouldn't mind busting it off. that's pretty cool. XL Super Bar Deluxe Super Jumbo. Not a hammer, but yes it is. Okay, yeah, let's take a look at this one here. Well, you know, I mean, I'll spray that anyway. I doubt it's going to come off. There you go. Okay, you're not going to believe this, but this nut is actually turning. So I'm going to try to lube it up and scratch it back off. I'm going to spray it with Deep Creep. Hey guys, that freaking thing actually came off. It came off. Is it moving now? Yeah. Okay, I was going to do the next one.
What the hell's going on over there? Yo, dude, come back with that!
Okay. Fit test. I got. These look like a bugger up on the end, but I don't know. The nuts came off. Gotta find a hole. Found that hole. And that hole. It's tight. You gotta push it down to get that side out. Yeah.